Hey guys, we are gonna try out some new skincare products today. My skin is looking very drab and sickly. I have been like so sick all week. I'm sure you guys can hear that in my voice. I'll probably end up sneezing on video with my luck. I feel like I've literally sneezed like 30 times today, not an exaggeration. Hoping my new Clairins double serum products will help kind of brighten up under my eyes with the eye serum, and then we're gonna do the double serum kind of just like across all my face to get to that lower level of skin. I feel like I've been looking kind of grayish green, so we're gonna apply that using their special technique. So you're gonna want to start by actively warming the product in your hand. So I've just put it that way. There's actually two ways that you can distribute it or pump it. So just warm it up within your palms first thing. You want to apply it to your face and neck without pressing. So just like a light dab throughout your face area. Then you're gonna gently press down on your face, then on your cheeks, then your forehead and your neck. I'm gonna use a similar gentle technique for the eye serum as well. So we're gonna open it up again. My hands are still a little bit oily. And just pump it into your hand and warm it up again. I'm just gonna lightly dab this to my eye area. Please brighten those dark circles. I'm definitely seeing a brightening effect around my eyes, and I think that could be attributed to the turmeric that they use in it. So you can see it's got a very bright kind of yellowy orange color there, and that's used in a lot of skincare products to brighten with natural products. So I do like that, and I am feeling like it looks like I look a little bit less sickly, which is always a good thing. Both of these are great for all ages looking for healthier, brighter, more hydrated skin. So good for all ages, but definitely great for anybody looking for that extra hydration level, given that it has both water and oil soluble substances in it. Lastly, the formula was super lightweight and didn't leave any kind of greasy feeling residue. So if you're worried about that kind of oil base, you're all good. It's not going to make you break out or anything. Definitely recommend it.